I'm Lizzie.
I'm Hershey.
And we're the admins of Crazy for K-pop on Instagram. Today we're going to be watching BtoB's teaser.
Beep Beep.
So, hope you enjoy. Okay, so they're walking. Look at him. That's really familiar. Yeah. And mini cars! Alright! I want to ride that car.
Interesting.
I thought that was, I don't know, I'm fascinated by the car.
I'm fascinated the way they're walking, they're like, hands in their pockets.
Yeah.
Gangsta. But they don't look gangster at all.
Okay, thank you.